of KTHM College Nasik and Department of Chemistry of this college. I am Dr. R.K.Pawar welcomes you in this M.Sc.II Inorganic Chemistry class. Dear student, in this lecture we are going to discuss some different concept, that is antagonism between molybdenum and copper. So first we are going to discuss what is meant by the antagonism. So now, antagonism concept is likewise a synergetic effect, as we know that one bond strengthen or one bond, if there will be the one bond is strengthened, then another will be weakens. So likewise here also the antagonism concept will play a very important functions in various metalloenzymes and in various biological processes also. So it is a very significant process due to this antagonism properties of metal. Likewise, the diagonal relationship, it play a unique characteristics of some metal. So here also antagonism is a very effective property of some metal in various applicative manner. So let's discuss what is meant by the antagonism. Is hostility which results in opposition in active resistance. So this is a antagonism. Actually antagonism is nothing but if here there is with the two metal, copper and molybdenum, the properties of one metal can affect the properties of other metal, or which can fill up by the another metal. So let's discuss in detail. So antagonist, and what are the characteristics of that antagonist? The antagonism of multiple agents where the involvement of multiple agents reduce their overall effect, Then the second are antagonism the substrate binds to site where antagonist binds without activation of a receptor. These are the general antagonism. Now let's discuss the antagonism between the copper and molybdenum. The biological antagonism is between copper and molybdenum were discovered with cattle grazing high in concentration with where found a syndrome that is characterized by diarrhea. Growth retardation, which can be controlled by administering copper. So this is antagonism between copper and molybdenum. Now the next one, that is the nutritional significance of the copper molybdenum is determined by natural variation in molybdenum, copper and sulfur concentration in the diet. A mechanism for copper molybdenum antagonism is complexing with copper and molybdenum with in complexes resembling cuprate. Antagonism between copper and molybdenum were discovered when cattle grazing pastures high in concentration with molybdenum were found to syndrome that is characterized by diarrhea, growth retardation, which can be controlled by administering copper. So the nutritional significance of copper molybdenum antagonism is determined by natural variation in molybdenum, copper and sulfur concentration in the diet, and the mechanism for copper molybdenum antagonism involving complexing with the copper with complexing copper with molybdenum in complexes resembling the cuprate. Now in next, molybdate, where there is a molybdenum pollution, the MO intake may sufficiently high to interfere with copper metabolism in man. MO pollution serve as to induce CO deficiency therapeutic application of copper molybdenum antagonism. MO pollution serve as to induce this copper deficiency. The therapeutic application of copper molybdenum antagonism in the treatment of Wilson disease is more safer to reduce copper concentration by drug therapy. So these are all about the antagonism between copper and molybdenum. So we will stop here. Thank you.